gotta say nice words about it. Or not curse words, I mean.
God dang it. You piece of shit.
The new tip isn't helping, is it?
Well, god dang it.
Ground?
Yeah. Really? I grinded on it. Seriously? Oh my god!
We're struggling with the
welder.
We're struggling with the welder.
Apparently you can't weld the metal.
Michael's under there without a helmet.
I'm just trying to tack it just a little.
There it is.
Maybe. Last time it did that, it's like, nope. It sounded like Michael.
Nope.
Okay.
So Michael's under there attacking the cross member right now. He's fighting it.
Always fighting something.
Here's your helmet. Whenever you feel like putting that on. Today's a good day, y'all. Dr. Pepper. Alright, so we got the motor hoist out here. We're fixing to pull the motor out of here. We got the engine hoist on there, unplug the coil. The transmission's not hooked to anything. All we gotta do is hook the hoist to it, unbolt the motor mounts, and then pull her up and out after. I think we have to take this header off while we're pulling the motor out so it can come out. That's a difficult header to install. Anyways, we're gonna take it all out so we can make sure the starter fits on there while it's out of the car, because that's gonna be easier, and play with all the lines and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the legs on this old girl go up. Like, oh, what's her name?
Oh, where's the stupid fucking handle for it?
Oh, I ain't got no handle for it.
Yes.
That's right.
Oh, really?
There it is.
It's just bending the jack.
Looks like it's moving.
It's moving. Our hoist might not be working properly. There it is.
Oh. I could just unhook this right quick. I think you come up with a little. No, it's fine. It's old Turbo 350. Look at that clean billet distributor. Bada bing, bada boom.
There's a pile of headers in there.
Yeah, there's just a little pile of headers in there. Now we can reach that master cylinder way up in there and
Run hoses for the power steering pump
yep.
and weld everything up. And then put it all back.
Awesome. And got all the springs and everything apart on it as well. So, all right, Mr. Groves, we got your master cylinder unhooked here. And it's got a vent tube on it that I gotta take off. Requires this little flathead that I knew I was gonna need earlier. I need a bigger flathead to do that. What's that hook to? Oh. Well, this runs off to that massive vacuum canister. So this massive vacuum canister along the frame rail is part of the brakes.
Yeah, I figured that.
You gotta have CDL to drive this thing. It's got air brakes. Uh-oh. That's pleasant. It's not looking good under here, Jim. It's not looking good under here. There it is. Yep. We're gonna have to. The nipple broke off the vacuum canister. It was already loose. Huh? She needs some clean loom brakes. I know what you do. Stand up in the loom bank, pull it real hard. Why has it got so much on it? It's got a little dipstick on it so you can check your brake fluid level. There she is. It's free. So in today's shop talk adventures, we figured it'd be absolutely hilarious if there was some guy who just happened to have a monkey that flings poo at everybody but his own self. And he unveils him every time he goes out to some event. It's like, behold, my poo monkey! It's like, oh, why'd you invite him to the wedding, man? He always has that poo monkey with him. Guys just laughing real hard. Ah, poo monkey! Nasty. There was like this little hose that went, oh, just poured dirt in there. There's this little hose that went between those two, and there was no clips on it or nothing. Look how loose it was fitting on there.
What is that supposed to do?
Everything?
That's nuts, man. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
It's crazy. Okay, so I believe how this vacuum booster works on this 1955 Oldsmobile master cylinder. This whole back plate in here slides in and out of this cup thing, and this is PB Blaster, some peanut butter blaster. She is pretty seized in there right now, so we're gonna let it soak up, and I'm gonna try to clean this as much as I can to where we can get it to come out of there, because we're probably gonna end up having to replace that way it can work right again. And that's where we're at. We'll see what we got in here.
Oh,
Oh,
that's nice.
oh, that is crazy looking. Look at all that in there. It's like sand.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. There's a complete day of work there. Subscribe for more gas works. Peace.